YT. And in the last video, if you saw, video before, it was just today. I just created it today. Now I'm just doing another one. And yeah, you saw in the last video that I got 43 cold. Okay, so I got 6, so it's got a bit more by going and stuff. So in here, 40 each, and I'm gonna make all of it into planks. Okay. I've got 2 stacks now, okay. Okay. We've got that. Torches. Oh, stop. Okay, I'm gonna take out the stuff. Let's do this. Thank goodness. I'll go get something to eat because I'm starved. I'll go and get something to eat and I'll starve you and I'll be back in a sec. Guys, I'm back. Now let's go for a hurry up. Go deeper and darker. Oh, not really deeper and darker. And for goodness sake. And anyway, I've got hiccups. Okay, so this way looks good. We'll call. Oh yeah. This is. I want more quality. What do I do because it's really bad if you don't have any coal or if you have no wood. That's the main thing. If you have no wood, no way to build your house, no way to get yourself some new stuff. So that's 5. No way to mine your way back up. No way to make torches. So that's why you need coal. And that's why wood is the most needed stuff. This hiccup is getting me so annoyed. For goodness sake, a keeper. Okay. Look how much I got. My pickaxe is always broken. Oh, bye. I got a 68. This is called heaven. Let's go do some mining. My pickaxe. Let's see how deep I can go. Iron. Perfect. Whee! Okay, let's just get this. Once I actually found 64 diamonds. It's not a glitch. Okay, let's go deep to here. Let's find every bit of diamond we can see. Iron cycle, but you'll both find it in the same places, but you'll find coal a bit higher than iron. So yeah. Did I find? Actually, that's a lot. Unless I found some more coal. This is okay. Let me just get my. Thank you. Oh, for goodness sake, you scared me. This is very. I think I feel something blue. Then go deep. Okay. Let's go make a new pick. Okay, let's go down there. Okay. Get that. That will never run out. Okay, this almost felt good. I don't want the helmet. I think that's it. Iron sword. Killed it. Very hard. Okay, let's see what I can make right now. Okay. Making myself booties first. Oh yeah, so I'll tell you who's my favourite were. First it's the Diamond Minecart. I watched him for years and years. A big shout out to him. Second is Popular M Mods. So hard to think of the name. Yeah, and third is W12. Oh yeah, big shout out to Popular M Mods, yeah. And then my third favourite YouTuber is AA12. Big shout out to him. And then it's Sky Does Minecraft. A big shout out to him. And then here's my cousin's favourite, Stampy. Ballistic Squid. Squishy. And they're not bad. And then it's LD Shadow Lady. The one that saves Stampy. Yeah. And yeah, stuff like that. But now he hates Stampy. So that is kind of good. What time is going? Very fast. Okay, this is very fast. 5! What are you kidding me? Let's just make a little hole now. So, wait, what? Oh no. No, it's not good me to pay. I just have to do this. Get 7. I'm gonna go and find one more piece. I don't care. No matter what. Let's use my ring. It might take a long time, but there's a reason why. Let's try fly. Look at that, this is gonna take forever. I know it's gonna take forever. But it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be, I don't need my charger. It's so mean. Okay, yep. Iron! Oh, let's go. Put the lighter in front of me. I see iron! Right in front of me. Oh, wow, there's a lot of iron. Oh, for goodness, this is what I hate. I've got a pickaxe and shovel. Oh, for goodness sake, oh. My, okay, don't go that way, don't. It's there to kill you. Try to make a way up. It's like a little bit of parkour to do. There's 7 to do. Okay, let's try and wrap Rubik's Cube. Stop giving me hiccups. I hate having hiccups. I am sick, by the way. This is why I didn't really go to school to fix Rubik's Cube. Mixing it up and I solved it. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, let's get my chest lid. I've got enough to make a helmet. But I'm not gonna make a helmet. Make that. I'm gonna make a chest. I can make 60 chests. That's not a lot. That is definitely not a lot. There's that. Let's drop out all these. Wait, do I have what? Oh, let's see if I had dirt, I'll just sap. Wait, that would be actually a good idea. Wait, which way did we come back from? I need to know now. I get lost. Get some. Quick. I can plant saplings on the ground, can't I? In the cave. 7. I got exactly 7. I got exactly 7. We went very deep. Okay, so just make little areas. Oh yeah. Plant it. Need some places to plant. Let's just do this. Yeah. Let me just quickly do this. I've got time for you. I'll do this very fast. Okay, Okay, I'm almost done. So guys, this is going to wrap it up today. And guys, I'll see you all later. Bye!